lovers, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorouspennypincher Shalomie, and today I am here to decorate and reveal my main Christmas tree. So this is the Christmas tree that's in my living room, and this is entitled A Night of Opulence. So if you want to see how I put everything together, you know exactly what to do, guys. Just keep on watching.
Today I'll be decorating the 7.5-foot King of Christmas clocked Rushmore tree. This is the same tree I had last year. I'm using it again this year, and I will have some details for you if you're interested in getting this tree. It has 7 different light settings and it is absolutely beautiful. I will add it to my list of products. That way you can easily click and access all the information you need on this tree. Alright guys, so let's get started. I'm going to start with some fluffing, and honestly one of the things that I love about this Rushmore tree, it does not require a lot of fluffing at all. Once you take them out the box, the 3 pieces, and you sit them in the stand, it just automatically folds down and fluffing is very minimal. As you guys already know, I am doing black, white, and gold as my theme, and this Harlequin ribbon is going to be a big part of bringing the tree together. I'm going to make some little bows with it, with this, and then I'm going to mix it with this black one. This black one came from a combo pack that I got at Walmart, and this one came from Amazon. I will leave product links, product tags to everything, guys, that I'm using. That way, one easy click and you can get the items if you are interested in them. So let's go ahead and start making some bows. Okay guys, I've added one bow. Now I'm just going to double up the ribbon just like this, and I'm going to make some loops. For this one I'm going to do about 3 loops, just like so. See that? And then I'm just going to pinch it at the bottom and tie it with floral wire, or you can use a pipe cleaner if you don't have floral wire. Then I'm going to attach it to one of my branches and cut it to where I want it to stop. Right, so after adding it to your branch, then you can manipulate it to where you want it to be or the direction you want it to face. But add it to your branch first, and then you can work it to how you want it. And after that, you just go ahead and cut the bottom part off. I'm going to cut some fishtails in both of them, like so, for the smaller one. And I'm going to do the same for the big ribbon as well. And then I'm going to add a few more around the tree, and I'll come back and show you what that looks like before we move on to the next step. Okay guys, so I've added about 5 bows, 3 of the mix with the Harlequin ribbon, and then there are 2 that's just the small black bows by themselves. Now I'm out of this roll, the short black ones, but I remember that I went to Hobby Lobby and picked up some hair bows, guys. Yes, you have to get creative in these streets. These hair bows, they come with the little hair tie on the back of them, and I'm gonna use it as just decorative bows. I'm gonna add a few of them on the tree. These at Hobby Lobby were only 99 cents, and they have them in different colors. If you're doing a bow theme and can't really make the bows that well, or just need to do something quickly, go ahead and get you some hair bows. These will work wonderfully.
Now that we've added our ribbons, guys, I'm going to start adding some ornaments, and I love using these glitter ornaments to decorate the tree from the inside out. So these are the ones that I use to cover like the gaps and the big holes that you will see from the front of the tree. I love using the glitter ones, especially because the light bounces off so beautifully when they are deep in the tree. Alrighty, we're on a roll. After adding those ornaments, I am going to start adding some clusters, guys, to fill up some other areas. And what I'll be doing is I'll be mixing my ornaments, all the different colors together. Absolutely beautiful. And I'm using floral wire. This iridescent one is absolutely amazing too when the light bounces off of it. Okay, penny pinchers, here is what we have so far. I've added quite a bit of ornaments, medium and large ones, and you saw we added some clusters as well. What I'm going to do at this time is I'm going to add some picks to start filling in even more gaps, and then we're going to work on the topper. I know I'm doing it backwards. A lot of people start their trees from the top down. What I do is I put all my ornaments, my ribbons, my picks in, and then that kind of helps to determine the way I design my topper. So let's go ahead and add some picks. Alrighty, I'm going to use some of these picks. I have so many picks, guys, and these picks I have collected over the years from different places. You name it, I've gone there, I've gotten it. Ross, TJ Maxx, Hobby Lobby, the Dollar Tree, you name it. So I'm going to use some of these beauties to add to the tree. I went ahead and added some picks and it looks really nice, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to add some of the picks to the topper. But I also have something else I want to add, and it is going to be this beautiful bow right here. If you have watched my haul videos, you would have seen this featured in one of those videos that I picked up from Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and affix it to the top of the tree, and then I'm going to start to place the picks around it. But I want to make sure that this is up there and secured first before I add the additional picks. Alright, the bow is now on, and what I use, guys, to hold it in place is floral wire. I just kind of fed it through the back of the bow and attached it to the branch. So I'm going to just work on the top and look out for any more gaps and fill those in, and we're almost there, guys. And then I'm going to come back and show you what I do with the bottom, and we're moving right along. Okay, guys, I have added the topper with the bow, all those beautiful gold picks, and then I added another element, which is this beautiful tool right here that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I just have it cascading down the sides off the tree. And what I did, guys, was I placed it behind the bow and just kind of did some tucks on the side. I will move it in closer, that way you can take a better look at it. So now the tree is done with the exception of the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the collar to it, and then that's gonna be another surprise. Okay, guys, we're at the very end, but lastly I have to put on my tree skirt. And what I have done is I've created this hack where I've used a tree collar. So the tree collar is underneath here, and then on top of it is a tutu. So I got this tutu, and what I've done is a hack to adhere it to the tree collar. So let's go ahead and put this on the bottom, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Guys, after adding the collar with the tutu on it, I have decided that I need to add more tulle. I need a little bit more length coming out. So what I did was I just got me some more tulle, and this tulle I got from Michael's. It is 89 cents per yard. So I went and got me some more tulle. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut it in pieces and just keep adding it around to get it about 4 more inches or so wider. Okay guys, this is what it looks like after adding the extra tulle. I'm loving that it gives it a little bit more fullness. The tree is wide, so it needed a little bit more of the tulle to kind of complement the tree and balance everything out. I absolutely love the way it turned out, guys. All right, and here we are from top to bottom. How beautiful is this tree? I am loving the way this tree turned out. With everything that I've added, the tool just kind of sets it off. I don't know. It just gives it an extra little bit of oomph, a little bit more elegance. Super, super gorge. Loving the way this tree turned out. Again, the name of this tree is A Night of Opulence. Guys, as I was going through my decor, I found this beautiful brooch that I've had for maybe 6 years. I got it from Totally Dazzled, and I just went and added it to the brooch just to add a little bit more pizzazz, a little bit more glam, and I think it looks perfect right there in the center. Okay guys, this is all I have for you today. I hope you have enjoyed helping me style this tree. This tree again is A Night of Opulence. Why don't you go ahead and leave me a comment below and let me know how much you like this tree. Again guys, thank you so much for spending the time with me. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome. I truly do appreciate you clicking on this video, and would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family. It's real simple guys. All you have to do is to click that subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to all my lovely Penny Pinchers, you know exactly how I feel. Love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher ChelomieC saying bye bye.